Here is your Storm Team 29 forecast.
All right, we are seeing a duller Sunday sunrise. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Looking outside live from downtown Charlottesville, we're seeing some thick haze up in the atmosphere, some cirrus clouds, a couple of low-level cumulus clouds developing, trying to form into some hilltop fog, but those will begin to scour out here over the next few hours, and a few clouds will billow on up enough to produce a few more splash and dash showers and thunderstorms later on today into this evening. Right now, temperatures are rising quickly through the 60s and the 70s. It's just a matter of time before we are going to hit 80 in Charlottesville in the next hour or two. It's a clean sweep for now on NBC. 29's exclusive dual pull tripled off the radar. The green areas you see over central Virginia, well, those are false returns. There is a downpour, though, forming well south of Dillwyn near the Farmville area. So the atmosphere is going to percolate and give us a scattering of showers, downpours, and thunderstorms, mainly during the peak heating hours. So we're going to call it hit and miss storms. We saw that yesterday. Some of you, like in Nelson County, picked up close to an inch of rainfall in a few areas, but a lot of you didn't see a drop of rainfall. But today, yeah, we're seeing that haze. There's the cloud streak over our part of the Commonwealth. There's what we call little outflow boundaries. They're like mini cold fronts. And we also get the circulations from the valley floor and the mountaintops, and all of that will give us a risk for a half hour to an hour tops shower and storm. And it is also tropically muggy. The air you can wear is back with us. Dew points are in the 60s and 70s. That means a tropically humid atmosphere, and that will give us a chance for shower and storm. And then as we go into the afternoon, here's Futurecast 1 p.m. Right along the spine of the Blue Ridge, we get that difference in heating from the lower elevations to the mountaintop. And those circulations will produce a shower and downpour and thunderstorm. And then just a speckling of them through about sunset. They fade away after sunset. So here we go tomorrow morning. It's fine, some patchy fog and a hazy sunrise. Tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, we're going to do it all over again with that risk for a shower and storm through about sunset. And get used to that pattern, folks. It's not going to change much at all Tuesday through next weekend, but there's a low pressure area that will probably give us a slightly better chance of a shower and storm on towards the end of the week. So for today, hazy, hot and humid, upper 80s and low 90s from Charlottesville and Stanton with that risk for a thunderstorm. Any storm that does form could produce some localized damaging wind gusts too, because those storms, as quickly as they go up, they begin to collapse, and that could send out a rush of wind, like a microburst we call it. So localized damaging winds can't be ruled out this time of year in that environment. Overnight lows, not so low, in the low 70s for most of you at daybreak, holding on to 80 degrees through about sunset at least. Tomorrow, back in the upper 80s and low 90s, Charlottesville, Orange to Stanton, Waynesboro, partly sunny, a chance for a shower and thunderstorm. Michael and Son 7-day forecast, a half hour to an hour shower and storm risk every single day. Not all of you will see it though, at least every single day, with that heat wave continuing, upper 80s and low 90s and lows in the lower 70s. And that is typical of this time of the year. The weather pattern doesn't change a whole lot, Riley.
It's the weather you can wear, as you say. This is the phrase you use a lot. And
you step outside, that humidity just smacks you in the face.
Oh yeah, it is icky. But thank you, Josh.